How to know if someone screenshots your Instagram DMs. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a feature on Instagram that you might not know about. Have you ever wondered if someone is secretly taking screenshot of your DMs? Well, I've got your answer for you. Did you know that Instagram has a built in feature that notifies you when someone takes a screenshot of your chat? If you didn't know, let me show you how it works. First, we need to open up the Instagram app over here. Once you are here, you need to go to the DMs over here. Then simply tap on here. Once you have done that, you can send any message to the person that you want. Here, you need to start a chat with the person you suspect might take a screenshot. Hey, next you need to swipe up the vanish mode just like that. This is crucial. So you simply tap on OK. And now that the vanish mode is open, if the person takes a screenshot, you will receive a notification that says username took a screenshot. This notification will appear right on your chat. Just remember, this feature only works if the screenshot is taken while in the vanish mode. So that's it. Now you know how to keep an eye on your DMs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you want more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.